Christian Ward here. I'm at 1117 Wines Drive in Ann Arbor in Waterhill today, looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath split level that's on sale for an asking price of $469,900. Now you can tell from the kitchen behind me that this home has had some serious upgrades. It has a new roof, a gorgeous new kitchen, there's an addition. This is an exquisite property, not my listing, but I'm going to do a quick property preview for some clients. Why don't you come along? Okay, so that's my preview of 1117 Wines. It's a really, really nice property. Asking price $469,900. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, brand new kitchen, new roof, really nicely done. If you're interested, please contact me. Make it a great day.